it. No, actually this. Okay, then we will start chapter. Okay. We are here. This drug proving. Okay. He best prover. Who is the best prover? Best prover is a physician. Okay, himself is a best prover. So remember these things. Ki many times this question is asked. Ki who is the best prover, and you have to answer. Ki physician himself is the best prover. Okay. Then idiosyncratic prover. I already talked with him. He is like a exception person. Okay. Also, he symptoms that is not on other persons. Okay. This is the reason. Okay. Then next, am I audible or not? Hello.
Yes.
Audible, sir.
Okay, because I am just listening little difficult sound, na, that's why I'm telling. Okay, then choice of a prover. The medicines must be tested on both sexes, males and females, in different age group of many individuals and various constitutions. Okay, this is again important. Okay, the medicine must be tested on both sexes. Okay, the medicine must be tested on both sexes, male and female, because the reason behind this is physiology. Okay, female physiology, some parts are different. Okay, then male physiology. Okay, some things are different. Okay, then because of that hormonal imbalance, hormonal system is little different. Okay, because of testosterone and estrogen and progesterone. Okay, so for that reason. Okay, so that's why we have to prove all the medicines. Okay, on the male and female. Okay, so like when we will be in class, I will just tell you one example related with this male and female. Okay, like prostate gland. Okay, many of physicians who are not qualified. Okay, means who are not the quacks, you can tell the quack doctors. Okay, they sometimes tell ki female has also prostate. Many jokes are there. Okay, so like that. Okay, so that's why study of anatomy is very much important. Okay, they are good person, means they are treating their village patients very well. Okay, means they have a number of patients, but they don't know, okay, human anatomy, human physiology, but they are treating the patient. Okay, this happens. So okay, then male and females. Okay, in different age group. Different age group is also very important, because nowadays, okay, like in first phase of COVID-19, pupils are telling ki COVID is not infecting childrens. Okay, but this time, okay, this time in second phase, this came in existence. Ki COVID is also infecting the childrens. Okay, and third phase, ICMR and AIMS New Delhi, they have already declared ki this will be also a problem for children's also. Okay, third phase will be like that. Okay, so like that. Okay, children's. Okay, geriatric age is there, pediatrics are there. Okay, means normally three age group is there. Pediatrics are there, adults are there, and geriatrics are there. Okay, pediatrics means who are less than 16 year of age or 14 year of age. Okay, then adults who are more than 17 to 18 to 45 age group, they are adults. Okay, then after who are like 45, 50 to 60, 70, 80, that comes under the age of who are of this age group, geriatrics, you can tell. Okay, like older patients have some different problems, share prostate enlargement, many issues are there. Okay, so that's why we have to prove the drugs on different age groups also. Okay, so both the sexes, different age group. Okay, then next is the many individuals. Okay, many individuals, we have a group of individuals we have to collect. Okay, many times it is told to keep drug proving doing it very small places and different places. Okay, like suppose you are doing same drug proving in Ernakulam, you are doing same drug proving in Chennai, you are doing same drug proving in Kolkata, you are doing same drug proving in Mumbai, you are doing same drug proving in Hyderabad. It is more better result, because small number of people you are collecting from different places. Okay, you you are doing same process at different places. Okay, and in these things I see this CCRH, Central Council of Research in Homeopathy, they are just taking a vital role. Okay, means they have very many units are there, nearby 24 to 25 units all over India. Okay, so they just do small study at different their units. Okay, and they are getting the better result, and they are compiled later on to just do the provings, get results of proving in our materia medica. Okay, then next our various constitution. Okay, what is the meaning of constitution? Okay, we have talked earlier also what is the constitution meaning. Okay, so constitution meaning, like I told you, physical makeup and mental makeup. Okay, people who have different physical makeup, mental makeup, some are tall, some are short. Okay, some are fat, some are thin, some are black, some are white. Okay, some are like mental symptoms, some are get angry easily, some are cool and calm. Okay, then some are like fearful, some are fearless. Okay, some have just get mental disturbance very easily, some are like very easy to handle the any type of disturbance in life. Or the many type of pupils are there. Okay, so that's why constitution is also very much important. Okay, so then we have to next part where both males and females. Okay, now questions comes, why we need to do this. Okay, sometimes short note questions comes. Okay, why we need to just do the drug proving in both male and females. Okay, so both males and females. Okay, aphorism number 127, drug proving must be done on both sexes because of the following causes. Okay, and please remember this is asked many times as a short note. Okay, why we, aphorism number 127, why we have to do drug proving on the both the sexes. Okay, reason, in order to reveal the alternation of the health they produce in the sexual sphere. Okay, means male and female. Okay, different physiology is there. Okay, female has menstrual cycle, male don't have menstrual cycle. Okay, then uh, females have hormonal disturbance many times. Okay, male don't have. Okay, then in males, okay, elder age they have prostate problems. Okay, female don't have prostate problems. Okay, this type of many things are there. So in order to reveal the alternation of the health, okay, they produced in the sexual sphere. That's why male and female on both the drug proving is done. Okay, males and females are different in the anatomical, physiological, and psychological sphere. Okay, anatomy, physiology, and psychological sphere. Okay, so to treat the disease of both the sexes, we must know the pathological power of the medicines in the sexual sphere. Okay, and many diseases are very much particular to males and females. Okay, some diseases are only peculiar to females, some diseases are only peculiar to males. Okay, suppose a patient will come to with the abdominal pain. Okay, for female we have to rule out the menstrual disturbance also, history of menses also. Okay, but in cases of male we just ask them about the diet habit. Okay, how your diet habit is there. Okay, and what about your excretory systems. Okay, all that things. Okay, so many things are there. Okay, so to rule out these things we have to just take the help of anatomy, physiology, and psychological spheres. Okay, then next is the, moreover there are certain diseases which are specific for males and some are very specific for females. So for the treatment of specific diseases, we must know the effect of the drug through the drug proving on the both sexes. Okay, so this is the reason. Okay, these 3 points are there. Okay, just go through these. Okay, very simple points, but remember it. Okay, because these points are important for subjective exams. Okay, short. Okay, means like short notes. Okay, different ages. Why need to do drug proving on the different age groups? Okay, drugs should be proved in the persons of different age because of the following reasons. Okay, physical appearance. Okay, physical appearance of children, adult, and geriatrics, and that is called as old age. Okay, so then physical appearance, anatomical development, and functions may be according to the ages. We have to treat the person of different age groups, so we must certain with the curative power of the medicine in the different age groups. Okay, and sometimes this is very much important in the cases of potencies also. Okay, in the cases of potencies we have to just know the potencies of the drugs also. Okay, different potencies of the drugs. Okay, then next is the drugs should be provided in person of different age groups because of the following reason: physical appearance, anatomical development, and functions vary according to the age. We have to treat the persons of different age groups, so we must certain with the certain of the curative power of the medicine in different age groups. Then next is the there are the diseases which are more common in certain age group. Example: measles, whooping cough, okay, rheumatic fever are common in the children. Okay, you will study in pathology later on in second year. Okay, these diseases are very common in the children's. Okay, common in the aged individuals. Okay, means different aged individual. Okay, like cataract is there, prostate is there. These are the problem of old age group. Okay, then susceptibility of the physical irritability varies with age. Okay, susceptibility already we have talked. Okay, you will study better about this susceptibility in the organ of medicine. Okay, and the susceptibility of the person. Okay, I just told you ki try to correlate nearby immunity. Okay, so it is different in different various age groups also. Okay, many individuals. Okay, why to do drug proving in many individuals? Drug proving must be done on many individuals. All the symptoms peculiar to a medicine do not appear in one person, nor all at one, nor in the same experiment. But some occurs in one person cheaply at one time, other again during a second or third trial. Okay, aphorism number 134. Okay, so in order to get the whole pathogenetic power of the medicines, proving should be done on many different individuals varying in their corporeal and mental constitutions. Okay, for that reason we have to do the drug proving in many individuals. Okay, how many people you can do, that is the very good thing. Okay, means it is just like a clinical trial. Okay, you will do on how many pupils you will do, it is better. Okay, for clinical trials. Okay, method of preparation of drug from proving. Okay, now it is given in aphorism number 123. Okay, all 105 to 145 to aphorism number 123, it is given key how to prepare. Okay, the drug for the this drug proving. Okay, indigenous, already you know what is the meaning of indigenous. Means it is the native of the particular state. Okay, suppose any drug is from Manipur. Okay, so the drug should be cultivated from Manipur and it should be brought. Okay, if you will bring that plant in Meghalaya and you will just cultivate it, it is of no use because all the alkaloid will not be there. Okay, so native. Okay, some plants are grown properly in the Meghalaya. These are the native plants of Meghalaya. Some are from Manipur, some are from Arunachal, some are from Haryana. Okay, some are from Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so like that. Okay, so you have to just always use the indigenous native plants. Okay, means which are the origin of that particular place. Okay, they should be administered in the forms of fleshy expression juice mixed with a little alcohol to prevent its spoiling. Okay, just to prevent its spoiling. Okay, then exotic or foreign vegetables. Okay, exotic substances are prepared in the forms of powder or triturations with alcohol when they were in the fresh state and afterwards mixed with a certain proportion of the water. Okay, exotic or foreign vegetables should be used. If we are not able to cultivate, then we can use, but we have to take a proper care. Okay, then salts and gums however should be dissolved in water just before being taken. Okay, so these are the precautions, what precautions you have to do when you are collecting drug for the drug proving. Okay, then dry and weak medicinal substances. Okay, dry plants, examples especially herbs available only in the dry state, are cut into the small pieces and an infusion is made by pouring boiling water on it and are swallowed while still warm. Okay, alcohol is not added because all expressed vegetable juices and all aqueous infusions of herbs rapidly processes into the fermentation and decomposes if preserved. Okay, so properly we have to take care how to collect the drug materials. Okay, every time. Okay, normally we have to, already we have talked we have to use the native drugs or the exotic or wild variety of drug. Okay, which has especially the origin of that particular place. Okay, then doses and mode of administration. About dose we have a separate chapter. Okay, doctrine of dose, that is called as a posology. Okay, so we have a separate chapter. Okay, we will study about posology in that chapter, but here just we will see. Okay, what should be the doses when we are just giving any dose. Okay, like Dr. Hanneman. Okay, what he did, he has just taken a six, okay, six drench, okay, of the drug material. Okay, six small pills he has taken. Okay, so just he decided that I will take this. Okay, but suppose he has taken very high quantity, then what will happen to him? Okay, means what had happened to him in pathological way. Okay, so this is very important. How much dose? Okay, suppose, okay, what will happen? You have just made a proper drug, you have taken a good case, and your dose is not correct. Okay, so what will happen? Okay, again it will be a big problem. Okay, your patient will not be treated properly. Okay, the strong medicine, strong heroic medicines are liable even in a small doses to produce changes in the health even of the robust person. Okay, means robust person, strong dose is there. Okay, then it can just in a robust person also it can just change the state of health. Aphorism number 121. Milder medicine, if you are taking a milder medicine, what will happen? Okay, medicines having milder power must be given in more considerable quantities. Okay, 121. Then weaker medicines, weakest medicines should be provided on the healthy, uh, then delicate, irritable, sensitive persons who are free from diseases and are given in much larger quantities. Okay, so like means as per the quantity of drug, if person you have to give weak medicine, milder medicine, or very high dose of medicine. Okay, that is decided at the time of conduction of drug proving. Okay, then mode of the administration, how you will, again this is also one chapter, separate chapter. Okay, that is called as a pharmaconomy or mode of administration of drug, how to administer the drug. Okay, potentized medicine should be given to the prover on an empty stomach daily from 4 to 6 globules of the 30 potency moistened with the little water for several days. Okay, so this is given by Dr. Henneman in aphorism number 128. Okay, he has told ki how to just give the dose. So what he has told, ki potentized medicine should be given to the prover on an empty stomach. Okay, daily from 4 to 6 globules of the 30 potency moistened with a little water for several days. Aphorism number 128. Okay, only potentized is the dynamic medicine should be employed for proving, okay, purpose, because most recently, an advanced observation shows that the crude drug substances, when administered for proving, does not give idea about full amount of sign and symptoms. Many of the properties of the drug materials in the dormant or hidden forms, but the potentized, the latent curative power of the drugs are developed. Okay, already we have talked about this. Sometimes some things are not as a used as a drug, but when we potentize, already we have discussed about the chapter potentization. Okay, if you will potentize anything, then become a good drug. Okay, then potentization bring medicine in dynamic planes so that it can act as a dynamic vital force. Okay, only potentized medicine, when applied upon the healthy organism, produces generic or common dynamic symptoms. Okay. Previously at Hahnemanian time, okay, first time when Dr. Hahnemann has done drug proving, okay, he has not potentized the medicine. Okay, the first drug proving was not with the potentized medicine, but later on, okay, okay, Dr. Hahnemann has potentized the medicines. Okay, and nowadays, though, without potentization, you cannot do drug proving. Okay, nowadays, as per the new concept, you cannot do any drug proving without the potentization. Okay, then serve to distinguish from one class to another. Okay, more medicine if indistinct, if the effect of doses are slight a few more globules may be taken daily until they become more distinct. Okay, it is given in aphorism number, I think 129. It is little printing issue in my book. Okay, stronger and the alternation of the health become more conspicuous. Okay, then recording of the symptoms. Okay, again it is very much important how to record the symptoms in the process of drug proving. Okay, recording of the symptom is very much important in the cases of drug proving. Okay, how will you record the symptom? Symptoms is to be recorded during proving. Okay, and that is a specific way, and the persons who are doing the process of drug proving, they just very well they know how to just record all the symptoms, because this is the concept for materia medica. Okay, if you will record properly all the symptoms, you can just properly mention all the things in the book of materia medica. Okay, so symptoms to be provided recorded during the proving, except narcotics. Okay, except narcotics, symptoms produced by primary action of all the medicines are recorded except narcotics. Okay, again what is this primary action? New question. Okay, in organ you will study this primary action, secondary action. Okay, I think you know this primary action and secondary action, little you have studied. Okay, little about the immunity in your 12th biology. Okay, so there you have studied about this. Okay, primary action and secondary action. Okay, so just this is nearby that you will clearly you will study about primary action on this organ of medicine. Okay, to accept narcotics, some produced by primary action of all the medicines are recorded except narcotics. Okay, to accept narcotics, okay, you can just uh, this but you can do the primary action. You can see symptoms produced by primary action of all the medicines are recorded except narcotics. Okay, so remember this, some exceptions are always a good objective question. Okay, so except narcotics, okay, all the things are primary actions are recorded. Okay, then narcotic substances, in case you know na, narcotic substances which are habit forming. Okay, like LSD, ganja. Okay, all these things are like narcotics. Okay, these are habit forming drugs. Okay, we have a separate chapter for that. Okay, dangerous drugs. Okay, different drugs. Okay, type of drug act. Okay, there we will study about all these things. Okay, the narcotic substances, in case of narcotic substances, symptoms of the secondary actions are to be recorded. Aphorism number 113. Okay, then alternating action which are produced by some medicines are also to be noted. Aphorism number 115. Okay, then modalities. Aphorism number 133. In order to determine the exact characteristics of the symptoms, the modalities are recorded, which means slight interfestations of the disease of the decrease of the symptoms is uh, relations to the time, position, weather, etc., by various factors. Any alternation from normal health, okay, should be recorded. Aphorism number 138. Okay, then proving on sick persons. Okay, how to prove all these things on sick person? Aphorism number 142, footnote 2. Symptoms which during the course of disease might have been observed on uh, never before constitutes new one belongs to the medicines. Okay, so these are the different type of recording of the symptoms, how to record the symptoms. Okay, and this recording of the symptoms are given in the aphorism number 138, 142. Okay, footnotes. Okay, and before that, narcotic drug should primary action should not be just recorded like that. Okay, then how to note, the above symptoms. Okay, again this is a how to note. Okay, literate prover, if your prover is literate, okay, means he has like uh, good knowledge of particular language in which we are doing the drug proving. Normally all these things are done in English language only. Okay, the aphorism number 139, it is given, he must note down distinctly the sensations, sufferings, okay, according accidents and changes of the health he experienced at the time after the ingestion of the drug. Okay, the physicians looked over the report in the presence of experiments immediately after the experiment if conducted, or uh, if the trials last several days, he does this every day, so that the everything is still fresh in the memory to the question him about the nature of every one of the circumstances. Okay, so every day one diary is given to the pupil. Okay, like who are on whom drug proving is going on, one diary is given, and every day they have to note their symptoms. Okay, for the literate pupil. Okay, for literate pupil it is not a big problem. Okay, they can just every day they can see. Okay, and at like evening time, the physician or the person who is conducting drug proving, just they take a round, or they just ask for that particular diary or notebook. They check the notebook and everything. Okay, and they just sign there. Okay, like today I have checked his notebook, what symptoms he has written, what changes he has written. Okay, like it is also called as a day diary. Okay, this maintaining of diary is called as a day diary. Many times these short notes are asked in question paper. Okay, what is day diary? Okay, then next is the illiterate prover. Okay, illiterate prover. Aphorism number 148 is given. If the prover cannot write, the physician should inquire every day concerning the nature, symptom, and the uh, manner of their appearance. The physician must note down his sensation, chiefly uh, Rome voluntarily narrating without asking any leading questions. Okay, again, one more point came. What is the meaning of leading question? Okay, leading question. Okay, directly I'm asking. That is called a, like you get fever or not. Okay, you are asking leading question. Okay, this is means yes, that always leading question. Simple definition is like that. Anything is called as a leading question when you are answering its answer on it, answering in only two words, yes or no. That is called as a leading question. Okay, yes or no. Okay, that is a leading question. You never need to ask your person who on whom this drug proving is going on. Okay, you will not ask leading question. Just directly you ask. Okay, okay, like now like he will start narrating, you have to listen properly. Okay, you will just directly, if suppose he is not telling anything about body pain, you are directly asking, you get body pain or not? He will tell yes or no. So you don't need to ask any leading question. Okay, yes or no. Okay, always you will study about this in your case taking and okay, in second year. Okay, okay, what is the meaning of leading question? Okay, the next is the physician is a prover. When physician himself is a prover, recording will be a more accurate. Okay, physician know everything. He also know the medical languages. Okay, there will be no problem if, okay, if physician himself is a prover in aphorism number 141. Okay, if he himself is a prover, there is not a big issue. Okay, he himself can record all the symptoms in proper materia medica or medical science language. Okay, it will be a very good initiation. Okay, then physician is the best prover because of the following advantages. Okay, we will see this part, okay, next time. Okay, physician is the best prover because of the following points. Why physician is the best prover? Okay, so till here, any doubt you have, anything you want to ask, any type of issue, problem? Hello, Rajneesh.